Tristan here. Today we're going to go over dual tax within RepairDesk. This is a super important feature in regions where you need to report two different tax rates. For example, you could have a goods and services tax as well as a provincial sales tax. If those two things need to be itemized separately on a receipt, that's what this is for. We'll start by hovering over these 9 dots on the top right and then selecting Store Settings. On the left, we'll select Tax and then Tax Configuration. The first thing that we want to do is go to this tab on the right called Tax Classes. You want to make sure the two tax rates that we're working with have both been entered in and that they're active. Once that's done, go back to the Configuration tab and let's enable dual tax. It's going to ask for a confirmation. Go ahead and enable it. The next thing we need to do is get these sales tax rates to reflect in our inventory. We'll hover over Inventory and select Products. And for the time being, let's just focus on cases. Let's go to this iPhone 11 case, and we'll scroll down to the bottom here, and we have the tax module. We've got two tax values here, the primary and the secondary. What I've done here is I've said the primary tax value is the GST, the secondary is the PST. Both should be enabled for this product. And then click Save. Now let's see what this looks like from a point of sale perspective. When we go to sell this case, you can see that both tax rates have been applied. When this ticket is paid for, you can see the ticket itemizes GST and PST together. Now, if we want to get that to reflect on all of our inventory, that's super simple. We'll go back to the inventory module. You'll create a list of all the items that you want to make the changes for, and then you'll export it as a default template. That template's going to look something like this. So you have the primary tax value and the secondary tax value. What we need to do for all these items is we need to apply GST to the primary and PST to the secondary. And then we'll paste those values all the way down. And then you can save that template and then you can re-import it. And then all of those changes have been made. And that is dual tax within RepairDesk.